All right, so we got a whole bunch of metal, whole bunch of copper we need to go and scrap today. We're gonna go to the scrapyard and see what they give us. Let's go get that money. We got a lot of copper we need to go get. We're gonna go pick up one of my mates, say give us a hand. All right, we got Alex. We're gonna go and check out the scrap metal now, get it in the van.
Let's get this cash.
Get this cash. Get this cash.
All right, storeroom is now cleared. All right. Just don't hit the cars, right? Oh, shit. All right, 2 seconds. Alright, the van is full up. Got closing. Wait.
It's closed up.
Yeah. Off to the scrapyard. Let's do it.
Let's roll. Yeah, man.
You wanna go that way? Yes, brother.
Kilos. 48 kilos on that front. Making the money.
Yeah, that's what Nice one, brother.
Alright, cheers, just scrapping the metal. As you see, that's the little assistant for today. Got Luke getting the bread. Got that bread.
Come on.
Come on, sheesh. Got the paperwork. Now we out.
We're out.